Racing Jazz is started with Dolce Ballerina, break weekly start, win factor is on the side, Valley Ridge is racing in third, and in fourth come Grand Dukes. Next on line is Pradera Verde, who's the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Dolce Ballerina, win factor is on the side, and here comes Valley Ridge. Now joining them on the outside, and next on line is the Grand Dukes, then followed by Pradera Verde. Back to the leader, we have Valley Ridge, now takes command by about 2 lengths, and in second is Dolce Ballerina, who in factor is racing in third, and in fourth comes Pradera Verde, while Grand Dukes now racing in last 400 meters of the race. Valley Ridge, Dolce Ballerina once again win factor, then comes Pradera Verde, Grand Dukes comes next, and as they swing for home, we have Valley Ridge by about 2 lengths now, and in second is a Dolce Ballerina, win factor is on the outside, last 75 meters to A, Valley Ridge, and finally Valley Ridge, Dolce Ballerina. Win factor Pradera Verde and Grand Dukes.
Yes, it's 2A Valley Ridge, ang unofficial winner natin for race number 2, ridden by